what are we gonna do now? We just hang out? Cool. I'm gonna get more coffee. Anyone want more coffee? Dude. Hell of a day. Hell of a day, Lawson. Hey, these are our new neighbors. They just fucking moved in like 3 weeks ago. No joke. Not kidding. So this is whole donut shop. It's super duper.
Thanks, Chase.
Thank you.
You want to be in a brew day video?
Yeah, what do I say?
What's your favorite kind of beer?
My favorite Saisons or lagers.
Oh, what we were making that today?
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah.
Saison is my #1.
This is my friend Lori. She actually works here. She's just not working today.
That's right, but I'm here in spirit.
But she just happened to come in. But I want Lori to be in the brew day video, so
Yeah.
if you want to see that happen, let us know.
That's
I think it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen anyway.
That would be my dream come true, Lawson. Break the Lawson. Lawson in order. I love it. I'm doing puns, Chase. Chase lost puns. Cut to the chase. Oh, let me get through the door for you. Y'all have your hands full. Lawson,
thank
keep
you.
rocking it, man.
I will. You too.
You're awesome. It's such an honor to meet you.
Aw, thank you.
Remember, do everything I would do. Ask Kyle.
Lori.
Lori's gonna be a star, I think.
She's already a star.